Let us the faithful praise and worship the Lord, co-eternal with the Father and the Spirit, born for our salvation from the Virgin, for he will to be lifted upon the cross in the flesh, to endure death and to